Hey there, Spicer fans. Randall Speir, Motorsports Manager for Dana. We're out here in beautiful Moab, Utah, the week before Easter Jeep Safari, which we term Engineering Week. We've got the Dana team out here testing some new vehicles. We have 2 new Jeep Wrangler JLs that we've added to the fleet, and some new additions to our JKs that you all know and love. Stay tuned for the rest of the week as we come back to you with the crazy adventures that we do and the testing that we're going to perform, and we'll see you on the trail.